how to go bait fishing with mussels. Step 1, you need to get the mussels off a rock. You usually find them in the water. Step 2, you need to cut it open with a knife. I recommend using a multi-tool, but any knife is good. Step 3, you need to open up the mussels and get its juices out with a knife. So now, once you've got the mussel off, you need to put it onto the rod. So you need to find the firmest bit of the mussel that you want to hook it on. And then I recommend like going around it twice so it stays on. Step 5, you need to wade out in the